Top 3 drift legends that own the streets. Like and subscribe before we hit number 1. Number 3, BMW E46 M3 German precision meets drifting chaos. The E46 is powerful, balanced, and built to slide. Number 2, Nissan 350Z, affordable, rear-wheel drive, and a beast in the hands of a pro. The 350Z is a drift icon. Number 1, Nissan Silvia S15, the king of drift. Light, responsive, and made for extreme angle, this car defines the drift culture. Which drift car is your favorite? Drop it in the comments.